also authorized the immediate restart of Mbuya Phase 2 project with 50 high-end housing units, and the groundbreaking ceremony will be next month. We authorized the building of 2,741 units of high-end housing, and evaluation is being concluded, and we also believe within the next few weeks this project will be restarted. Finally, one of the other projects we have been educating the public is called the Off-Taker Housing Project. And here we are asking real estate developers out there in Uganda to get involved in the housing. We buy wholesale from what they have constructed. Then we sell it to our members and other interested Ugandans, because at times cash flow is an issue for some real estate developers. Here we shall be developing, but in an indirect manner.